All right, Rob, what was your condition upon entering our clinic and how long had it existed?
I was in a lot of pain, and it was for a very long time. Lower back, arm, shoulders, feet.
So just about everything hurting, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. And then how or who referred you to chiropractic?
Actually, I found y'all down at the Bloomenfest. There was a tent down there when we took the kids to go ride the little rides.
Oh.
And there it was, and y'all gave me my initial field exam and requested that I come in, and I came in, and that's what it's been.
That's awesome. And can you describe what chiropractic has done for you?
It has definitely helped me out a lot. I used to have really bad hand pain. I couldn't even squeeze to make a fist, but now that's gone away. My feet don't hurt no more. My back feels good. I walk more upright now as opposed to slouched over. It's done a lot of good.
So it sounds
a lot
like
of good.
a lot of improvement there.
Yes, I mean I'm like a whole rebuilt dude.
I love it. And then what would you tell somebody with the same condition about chiropractic care?
Come into here. Don't go to those places that use all the drugs and want to put you on dope or this and that or put you through the ringer. Come here, you get adjusted, you do your vibes, you're out the door, 15 minutes. I mean, and then you're on the road to recovery.
I love
Plain
it.
and simple.
I love it, Rob. Well, that was it. Thank